ABML Morning Update. Equity is becoming an obsession and ultimate survivor as volatility consolidates. Global markets. US markets ended mixed on Friday, with the Nasdaq rising 0.13%, halting a 3-day losing streak, while S&P 500 edged down 0.05% and the Dow shed 0.65% as early losses were sharply reversed. Wall Street is also bracing for key data points that could not be released earlier due to the US government shutdown. The Bureau of Labor Statistics disclosed on Monday that it will be releasing the September jobs report on Thursday, followed by the real earnings report on Friday. The timeline for other macro data releases has not been disclosed yet. European stocks closed lower on Monday, with the Pan-European Stoxx 600 falling 0.54%. All major regional bourses ended on a negative note as investors pulled back from risk assets amid renewed volatility. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on positive note on November 17th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.46% at 84,951 and the Nifty was also up 0.4% at 26,013. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 41 points at 26,071, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's merchandise trade deficit has widened significantly to a record high of $41.68 billion, primarily driven by a surge in imports and a decline in exports. The country's exports fell 11.8% year-on-year to $34.38 billion, reflecting weak global demand and pressure on labor-intensive sectors such as textiles, leather, and gems and jewelry. Conversely, imports rose 16.6% to $76.06 billion, largely due to a spike in gold imports, which jumped to $14.72 billion from $4.92 billion a year ago. Exports to the US also declined, partly due to higher tariffs affecting India's competitiveness. The government has implemented export support measures worth over $5 billion to alleviate liquidity stress for exporters. Despite the setback, India remains focused on its long-term target of reaching $1 trillion in exports, although the October data underscores the need for stronger competitiveness and policy support. Focus for the day: US industrial production. Key corporate developments or policy actions. HCL Tech has launched a physical AI innovation lab in partnership with NVIDIA in California. Elevation Capital plans to sell 1,640 crore rupees worth of 197 communications shares via block deals, offering about 1.28 crore shares, 2% equity at 1,281 rupees each, around a 4% discount to Monday's close. Vedanta's power business secured a 5,000 megawatt power purchase deal from the Tamil Nadu Discom as of November. AstraZeneca Pharma has signed a pact with Sun Pharma to distribute and market sodium zirconium cyclosilicate in India. The drug is used to treat hyperkalemia. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 7.71 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 12.00 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.